out of CRX. Engine bay is ready for the K-Series to be put in. Got the welded engine mount welded in, ready to put it in the bay. And I'll be having my husband from U-Wrench help me because it's a two-man job. I mean, it is and it isn't. It's easier with two people. Forgot to mention to you guys, K20A3 currently has a 6-speed transmission, also from an RSX, but they didn't come stock as 6-speed. It has an LSD from an SI, because it didn't come with an LSD in it. So we're going to keep those two together and install it. That way my husband can get a new tranny with his new engine. New to him. Both tranny mounts installed. Time to install the engine and transmission and all that. Oh my god! There's still plenty to do before I can even try and start this. Also figure out if the shifter cables are going to work because we had originally purchased all the parts for a 5-speed, not a 6-speed transmission. But for now, she's in. Traction bar is on, and since the axles and the knuckles all aren't together yet, I'm going to be installing these function and form coilovers I got from my brother-in-law. They're obviously meant for an EF and they're adjustable. The ones that came with this hatch were for an EK. The previous owner also gave me EK forks, but I want my EF function and forms, and I have them, so why not use them? Ah. Ah. Gonna need my hair up for this next part. Good enough. Ow! Ah! It's not moving! This part is the extremely hard part. But I might need the jack to lift the arm up so I can do this. I'm gonna do that. 3, 2, huh! Nope. So, I welded the engine mount, installed the tranny mounts, installed driver and passenger side axles, installed the function and form front coilovers, installed the traction bar, also installed the radiator. All that's been installed. Still have lots more to do before this car is even close to up and running. Also got to get, more parts, radiator hoses and such. But lots of movement on the car so far, so I'm very happy. Everything that's been installed so far has gone pretty smoothly. I was surprised I got the engine and transmission in so quickly and easily. So just buttoning it up at this point before I can start it for the first time. So I'm super excited about that. But thanks for hanging around, thanks for watching, and more to come. Bye! Like, comment, subscribe, do the things.